For 2022, the Grand Cherokee gets bigger and better with new tech, comfort, and features. Is this the best choice for a full-size family SUV? We have a complete look right now. To learn more about other options and features, visit AutoNationDrive.com. Click New Cars, Research, Jeep, and then select Grand Cherokee. We make it easy to find what you want fast. The Grand Cherokee is a two-row SUV designed for families that like to adventure off the beaten path. This Overland edition is loaded with luxury as well as more advanced off-road features. Our test vehicle included several options, including the off-road and luxury groups. Prices you see it here, $65,070 including destination. Under the hood is a 3.6-liter V6 engine that runs on standard fuel. It produces up to 293 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque through a standard 8-speed automatic transmission. A dual-range transfer case connects it to the advanced four-wheel drive system with multiple terrain settings. All-terrain tires wrapped around 18-inch alloy wheels are standard for this trim level. EPA rates this setup at 19 miles to the gallon in the city and 26 on the highway. Maximum towing capacity is 7,200 pounds. Though a third row is optional on select trims, our test vehicle included 2 rows of seating. This allows for a large amount of cargo in the back, up to 46.9 cubic feet. Fold all rows flat for up to 68.3 cubic feet. Under the floor is a spare. Passengers get a big, comfortable space with individual climate controls, heated seats, USB and AC power. A fold-down armrest provides convenient cup holders. Up front, the Grand Cherokee gets a major overhaul in luxury appointments. Natural wood, leather, and high-quality plastics come together to create a unique and comfortable cabin. The seats are structured with a long list of controls, heating and cooling, plus select trims even have the option for massage units built in. The main gauge cluster is all digital, with several view options, pretty much guaranteeing every driver will find a setup they like. The heads-up display gives key information at a glance. Infotainment has also been updated, with a new Uconnect system that integrates maps, vehicle settings, music, and more. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are supported with cabled or wireless connectivity. Wireless charging is also available. Since this is a family-focused SUV, it's not a surprise that Jeep loaded it with the latest in safety tech. It features emergency braking, active driving assist, night vision, parking sensors, a backup camera with surround view, and cross-traffic alerts. There's also one more screen hidden in the rearview mirror, which allows you to see behind the vehicle even when you're loaded up with gear. On the road, the Grand Cherokee is a joy to drive. The included Quadralift air suspension provides a comfortable ride on paved surfaces and also raises up several inches for when the road ends and you need even more capability. And that really is the big draw of this Grand Cherokee. It's an SUV that is just as welcome at the country club as it is on the top of a mountain. The advanced four-wheel drive system can handle snow, rocks, and dirt without breaking a sweat. Jeep's DNA is put to good use here. If you're looking for a new family SUV that provides luxury and capability, the all-new Grand Cherokee is a fantastic choice. But the only way to know if this one is right for you is to take it for a test drive at your local AutoNation Jeep dealer. Visit AutoNationDrive.com to find your local AutoNation Jeep dealer. We have more than 70,000 new and used vehicles available from coast to coast. Find the perfect vehicle, pick your options, and arrange for a test drive at your local AutoNation Jeep dealer today.